You guys are doing well, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can design any kind of banner on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and after opening the Google Chrome we have to create an account on the Adobe Express. So as you can see, I've already created an account. Now simply we have to go to the search for everything. As you can see now here we have to write the banner. So I'm going to write the banner. Let's write that which banner I want. Admission open a school. So as you can see, I'm going to search for this. Let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you are going to get a lot of templates are here. So we have to select, for example, I'm going to use this one. And now we have to click on the customize template. And after clicking on the customize template, you will be redirected to this page. It will take a few seconds. It's up to your internet speed. And after that, you can edit this. As you can see, after clicking on this, the settings are provided here. If you want to edit this, you have to double click on this. After double clicking on this, as you can see, you are going to get all editing options here, all controls here. If you want to change the text color, size, or the font style, or the anything, whatever shadow, effects, all the things are provided here. You just need to select the text and you have to apply the which option you want to apply. And after that, for example, if you are going to click on this, and you will also get the options related to this, like if you want to change this or this, these all options are provided here. After doing all the editings, you have to click on the download button, and after clicking on the download button, you have to select the format, that in which format you want your picture, and after that you have to hit the download button and the image will be downloaded. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can design a banner on Adobe Express. So see you guys in the next video.